So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can start making your $100 a day with YouTube without filming anything, without any products to sell. So you don't need a CPA offer, you don't need t-shirts or Shopify dropshipping, nothing. All you're going to do is make money with YouTube's Google AdSense. And I'm going to use this channel as an example and where he got all these videos from. So these are videos that he doesn't own, but he uploads them and he makes money off them, and he doesn't get any copyright strikes. I'm going to show you how and where he gets them from. So there's a section on YouTube called Creative Commons. So let's say you want to start a YouTube channel on fitness, and all you do, so I just go into YouTube and I'll just type in fitness. So it comes up with a whole bunch of videos. So like avoid any video that has an ad, so you can't use those videos no matter what. So it's got 42,500,000. So all these videos are copyrighted. So if you re-upload this video to YouTube, you'll get a strike. But if you just come up here and click on filters and click on Creative Commons, so what this will do is it'll bring up a whole bunch of videos that are copyright free. So these videos have been put up by the copyright owner, the video owners, to be used by anyone, and you'll have to take the videos and do whatever you want with it. And you can re-upload to YouTube, Facebook, wherever you want. But we're just going to focus on Facebook for now. So let's say I was going to start a channel on fitness. I would take all these videos, like top 5 fitness on YouTubers, blah blah blah, and I would probably upload. So when you first start off, you have about 0 views, 0 subscribers and all that. So when you first start off, you should upload quite aggressively. So when you're not even filming, you can do that. You can upload 8 videos a day. So I'll just take about 8 of these videos, and I'll probably make like different thumbnails and a different title, since this has already got 56,000 views, and people already know what this video is. So make a different thumbnail, different title, and you should start getting clicks right away. And you should also start making videos on trending topics as well. Like you can let's say what's trending right now. Kylie Jenner is trending right now, so I would go and just type in Kylie Jenner. And I'll do the same thing and go into filters and click on Creative Commons. So this has got 1 million views, and it's up there for free for you to use. This is great because Kylie Jenner's on trending trending on YouTube right now. Since I don't really know much about her, but a lot of people, that doesn't really matter. A lot of people talk about her and they make a lot of money out of it. So so there's many things you can make videos on. What I usually go for is politics. Politics is always trending, and it doesn't really matter what your political views are. You can go either right or left and whatever you want. But this guy here, Jason A, this guy's got 836,000 subscribers, and he doesn't even upload daily. He usually, I advise people to upload daily. Like if you're starting a new YouTube channel, it should be daily. So, but since this guy's got 836,000 subscribers, he doesn't need to do that. He can upload weekly, monthly, whatever he wants. And how do you know how much money this guy's making? So what I do is I click on the URL. So let me just go back here. Just go back. Go further back. Let me start that again. So I'll just go back here and search his channel again. It's called Jason A. So what I'm going to do is take this the link address of his YouTube channel and go to a site called Social Blade. So what this site shows is how many views the YouTuber is getting, how much money the estimation of how much money they're making, and I'll show you how much money this guy is most likely to be making. So this guy is most likely making about $150,000 per year. from just uploading random videos that he doesn't even own. So that's a lot. That's really easy to do. This is, but it has gotten a little bit harder. So, and I'm going to tell you how you can actually get past this. So recently, YouTube had this new update policy. So back in the days, you can just start a new YouTube channel and just hit monetize, and you can start making money right away. But now with this new policy, they changed it to 10,000 views minimum on your channel. But now they changed it again just very recently. You have to have 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, which is a lot harder. But with this method, if you're uploading quite aggressively, like 8 videos per day, you can get there within 1 month. And YouTube will actually approve your channel for monetization, since you actually own those videos, since you actually got it from Creative Commons. So this is, and you don't need any upfront cost to get started. It costs you $0. All you have to do is just take the videos and re-upload it to your own channel. So give this a try, and if you like this video, I upload videos like this daily, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Happy birthday to you.